Bless all of you. God bless. Me and my girlfriend are very grateful for any support. Thank you, Kyle, for the rose. God bless you. Thank you so much. Can anybody else please send any roses? Thank you, Mr. Five. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you so much. Thank you, Hayden, for following. God bless you. We should have the instruments soon. It's taken her friend a while to get up to the place to send them, and it's taken him a while to send them, but he had to go all the way down to the shipping place, see how much it would be and everything. But we should have her instruments back soon. Thank you, Velvet, for following. God bless you. Yeah, apparently there's a lot of competition now on TikTok. I'm gonna try my best. Can anybody please send any gifts to help me and my girlfriend? Anybody? Shady said I'm nobody. Well, can somebody send this nobody some TikTok gifts? I sure could use it, me and my girlfriend. Thank you, Ariana. God bless you. I I I I don't think you did, Cam. I'm not really seeing that. Hello, Tommy. I've been around. Where you been? Thank you, Adriana, for sending positive vibes. Thank you. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Crack the old bazak. Can anybody please send any gifts to help me and my girlfriend, please, y'all? Can anyone please send any gifts to help me and my girlfriend right now? We're trying our best, man. We're trying to grow some vegetables and fruit. We've already grown a lot of vegetables. Vegetables and fruit. We've already grown a lot of vegetables. We are going to become vegetable and fruit sellers, my friends. We live in the area of the United States. What about you? No, it's not, Lisa. It's literally impossible to address every comment. It's literally impossible to reply to every comment. Can anybody send any TikTok gifts? Anybody? Please send any TikTok gifts. Anybody? Please send any TikTok gifts. Anybody? Please send any TikTok gifts. Anybody? Can anybody else send any roses? I just followed you, skunk. God bless. Can anybody else please send any roses or any TikTok gifts to help me and my girlfriend, please? Anything helps you guys. Oh, J Mouse just sent. Oh my God, thank you so much, J Mouse. God bless you, man. I just followed you back. Or I just requested to follow you. Thank you, Stump, for the rose. Thank you so a gift. J Mouse, thank you for the GG Skunk Boy. Thank you for the lightning bolt and the TikTok gift. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let us have compassion for one another. Let us have love and light in our hearts. God bless all of you. So East Coast, West Coast, or Midwest? I guess that's the mystery for you to ponder, huh? God bless you guys. I hope everybody is having a beautiful day today. And I want you to know that no matter how many bullies you may have, no matter how many people try to put you down, that you can find love. Hello, too blessed to be stressed. How you doing? God bless you. And there's people out there who care. I'm an example myself. You know, I got a lot of people. Thank you, Eric, for the finger hearts. God bless you. I got a lot of people who are just here hating on me. But at the end of the day, there's people like Eric. Thank you so much, Eric. Thank you so much, Eric. God bless you, man. It's people like Eric, like J Mouse, all of these people who just send a little bit of gifts. You know, they can add up. Think about it. I want you guys to think about that real quick. If you just send a few roses, thank you, Mr. Bradley, for the perfume. God bless you, my friend. Thank you so much. God bless you, J Mouse. Thank you for being a viewer, watching my live streams. It's very much appreciated.
Okay, and Bradley is in there. Give him the things of TikTok. He's the same one who often slipped out in a conversation when he had drunk, and his Canadian friends that happened on TikTok. So Bradley is the one who's been holding up TikTok.
Can anybody please send any TikTok gifts to help me and my girlfriend? We are struggling financially right now. Hello, Jay. God bless you, man. You know, me and my girlfriend can use any support, man. We are struggling financially right now, and we are begging anybody to send us some TikTok gifts. Thank you, Eric. Thank you so much, Eric. God bless you. Thank you so much. No, I am not Wolf. This is 100% real. This is my real life. Me and my girlfriend really do need any support we can get. Thank you so much, Mr. Bradley, for the friendship necklaces. Thank you so much. God bless you. No, I did not, Gongfish. I wish I did. Can anybody please send any TikTok gifts today? Please, my friends. Thank you so much for the TikTok gifts, Bradley. Thank you so much. Can we get anybody to send a whale gift? Will anybody send a whale gift? How about it, folks? Can we do it? I want to see that whale dive. I want to see that whale diving. Come on, guys. I believe in you. Hold on, let me set that as my goal again. Oh, you know what? We're gonna set it to 1 interstellar. Well, I don't think that interstellar actually makes a sound. I want to hear the sound. Hold on, guys. Thank you, Mr. Bradley, for the heart puff gifts. Sorry, give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to find the whale diving gift. Thank you, Mr. Let me for the 4 W's. Thank you so much. There it is, the whale diving gift. Thank you, Mr. Let me tell you something. Thank you so much for the W's. Thank you, Mr. Bradley, for the heart puffs. Thank you all for joining my live stream today. I hope everybody is having a beautiful day today. I hope all of you are having a beautiful day today. I'm up here asking if you guys can support me and my girlfriend by sending any TikTok gifts. My dream is to receive a whale diving gift. That is my dream. Hello, Card Vulture. Thank you, Card Vulture. God bless you. Thank you, Paul, for following. God bless you. Thank you, Mr. Let Me Win. No, let me tell you something for the W's. Thank you. I want to show you guys my YouTube. You said Pixie and Pooh Bear said, keep dreaming, bud. When I said my dream was to receive a whale diving gift. Can anybody just send a whale diving gift? Just to make Pixie and Pooh Bear mad. Please. Hold on, I'm going to show you guys my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube account right here, guys. Hey, thank you, Eric. God bless you. This is my YouTube account right here. Please go follow me on YouTube. Watch the video life update. Me and my girlfriend moved across the country. Please go subscribe to my YouTube and check out my YouTube videos. I go live on there too. And I have other ways that you can support me on there. Can anybody please send any TikTok gifts?
Doesn't take for
Can anybody please send any TikTok gifts? Thank you, Mr. Let me tell you something. Thank you. bless. No, I am not, K. Krissa. God bless you guys.